Hey guys, good morning to all here present, beautiful ladies and gentlemen. Today is next day, next day morning, as you can see that the beautiful morning with the reddish effect on the sky. Today I'm just wondering that I'm just thinking that about plants. I'm just thinking about the plants that in our terrace there are variety of plants kept. So I want to show you the variety of plants and that was just kept on my terrace. So let me show you. So here we have two flower plants, which is basically this one. I don't know exactly the name of this flower, but these flowers plants are truly beautiful. Now, now we have a bunch of wood. Bunch of wood we have. This These all wood we get from the outside the park tree as the tree branches were became extra large. We are here to cut the branches of tree. Now just show you some extra trees. So this is Kaner. This is Kaner where the yellow flower you have this one. This flower is rotten now, dry, but this is a beautiful flower. And in Indian culture, people also use the yellow flower in Brihaspativar. You can say that in Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday. Yes, no, Thursday. Yes. So in Indian culture, Thursday was considered as a holy uh, holiday. It means Brihaspativar, where people do prayers and wear also we used to wear just yellow color dress. Yes. So the flower which I am talking about is here and in a good condition. Just see it. This one. This is a yellow flower which I am talking about. It's morning and the flower is just glow up. These are the some jungly pear, some jungly pear. You can say the forestal plants. You can say that. I don't know the name, but yeah. And you might have seen these seeds of kaner plant. When you just peel out this outer covering of kaner seed, this green one, you got a hard, you can say the concrete type seed, which which child used to play. Even we also used to play in our childhood. Let's explore more plants. So here's a beautiful. So here's a beautiful bagni plant. You can say that. Bagni means purple. Purple flower plant. Okay. This one. So this is basically a purple flower, beautiful. This plant name, even I don't know the name of mostly plant here, but I'm just showing. And this one more plant which is not a plant, it is considered as a ayurvedic. It is considered as a ayurvedic plant and used to cure the sugar patient, diabetes patient. And what the diabetes patient will do, or how to just take it. So I want to show you a sugar plant. Just take a moment. Okay. So this one is a sugar plant. Yes, exactly this one. Yes, yes, yes. And this one. So people just used to take 4 to 5 leaf of this plant and just gently wash with a clean water and eat it. So this cure diabetic patient and it's ayurvedic, it's natural. There is no need to take any kind of supplement from the market which will definitely harm your body in long term. As I said you earlier that as much as you are closest to the nature, you are safe enough. Okay. So now one more plant which our Indian society praise, the one and only Tulsi plant. This one. And as you can see that here some dressing was done here because we don't consider this plant as a plant only, as we consider it as a god. Yes, and the leaves of this plant is very much feathery. As you, I don't know whether you can able to see or not, but the leaf have tiny feathers, and this is the seed. This is the seed of tulsi. There is a season when the tulsi plant get dry. So what people do? People just take out the seeds, as the seeds of these plant are just at the top of the bunches, you can say that. Yes, there's no the inside seed because there is no flower or any kind of fruits in the tulsi plant. So are the seeds are kept at the top of the plant. Okay. So they are mostly jungle plant. I don't jungly plant. People say that because these kind of plant grown up as by its own. Some plant grown by its own. We don't need any kind of effort, care. But some plant we need to care, proper care. Then the plant can grow. One jungly plant, or you can say that forestier plant. Jungli is a Hindi word, so you can consider it as a forestier plant. I don't know the name for this also. Let me show you this one and see how widely this plant is growing, touching the roof of panel and coming from down to earth. Here are more some yellow flowers. oh sorry, purple flowers. And here you can see that, I don't know you are able to see or not, but this is a wild creature. There are many creatures of God. Here are many creatures of God, and this is a one of them, whose name is Spider-Man, of course. And the net, the kind of net this spider, क्या कहते हैं उसे, stitch, okay, the kind of net this spider stitch is very very strong. These kind of net even doesn't care about water, dust, air. It means it is you can say that just open to nature. Understand? Now the sunlight has came around the overall sky. Let me show you. The birds are chirping. Okay, one. This is our moon, beautiful moon. Moon is still here. Moon never leaves us. Moon is a kind of just chill movement. Yes. Okay. One one more one more thing I want to discuss about you, or you can say that just clear about. Actually, in past days, I have a doubt. Actually, in past days, I have a doubt. Which kind of doubt? In earlier video, I have just spoken about the solar panel. Okay. So, if you have seen that, there are many tissue, you can say that tissue kind of instrument, you can say that, or tool, you can say that, but it's has its own identity. It's and that instrument has its own identity. Let me show you. So the instrument I am talking about, or the tool I am talking about, is this one. Yo. Sorry for the kind disturbance, but let me finish this video by just the conclusion part about that tissue one, which you can see that here. Wait for a minute. This one. Okay. So I wondered that what kind of tissue this is. Tissue is a just you know that tissue is Shankar Ji's tissue, instrument used to kill the, you can say, the weapon. I consider that this is also a kind of tissue. But when I researched it, I know actually I got to know that it is actually not a tissue, of course, but it is a kind of lightning arrestor, as the name suggests, lightning arrestor. So has a unique name. Then I study more about it. Then I got to know that lightning arrestor work as a natural skylight when the weather is not good. When the weather is not good and the lightning storm was happening, so it helps to collect all the light, so that the lightning was not able to harm the solar panel. Okay, So it actually protects the solar panel from natural lightning, because natural lightning is very much strong, about thousands of volts, 60,000, 600,000, many. It doesn't have limit. It's a natural. Nature has the wildest and the, you can say that, wildest face and the softest face. You have to decide whether you have to choose softer paste, or you can choose just wild paste. Okay, so I've just told you that actually I've just cleared my doubt, and I'm just exploring many things. So one of these is this tissue one. Now I've cleared that this is not actually a tissue, it's a lightning arrestor. So then I also consider that how it works. So a copper, it so basically it is made up of copper, pure copper. Okay, pure copper it is made up of, and one one high quality of copper wire attached to this tissue, oof, lightning arrestor, and that wire was directly go at the down to the ground floor, at the ground outside the house. And outside the house there are three, you can say that, three rods of copper, pure copper. Even you can say that 20 or 30, 50 mm of rods. Three rods were inserted directly inside the ground. Even height of the rod will be approx my height, 6, you can say the 6 height, 6 feet. Okay, and this wire is not connected to, or you can say that, not just to any part of the ground, and directly connected to the rod, so that the current will, or you can say that the lightning current or effect will directly absorb to the ground, and not just connected to the any part of panel, or not even connected to any part of the house, so that it will not harm the people living in the house and the panel also. Okay, so for today I think it's enough. See you tomorrow, guys. Thank you for your kind attention. Have a good day.